Hello, welcome guys. How gonna to show you how to enable view on desktop. So guys, very easy simple method. So guys, please my new channel like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for latest update. So guys, let's start our video. So guys, this taskbar area, any empty area. So guys, click on empty area, right click on. So guys, show task view button. So guys, very easy. So click on. So guys, enable. So taskbar enable. So guys is. So guys is. So guys is option. So guys, very easy simple method. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for latest update. Thank you for watching.